Hi guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in addition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 2nd, 2023. Already solved three puzzles. The 1-star Sudoku, no, the 2-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Yeah, tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 6529. 652. No, 6530. Yeah, the previous one, the binary, was 6529. Yes, this one 6530. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box. There dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Need more information. Yeah. Next question. Do we have here in this puzzle triple box? A triple box. I see here only one triple box. The 3 is already given. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Again, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, but it can't be a 4 anymore because we have 4 here. So it should be a 5 then. Alright. Triple box. Then the next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Well, can see any quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. Yeah. For example, the first shape. Let me see. Here we have the first shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The Z or the S construction. If you flip this, you will have the Z. If you rotate this, the S. Okay, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. It's a 2. Here, another one. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape, man? figure, structure, or construction, whatever you name it. This shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have here 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Shoot it in. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or 2 there, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes here as a pair with that box. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, but also those 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, let me mark those. 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. Then two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and the 4. Okay. Then. Let me think. Well, 3, 3. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes disappear. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So that appear in this Z or S constructions are reserved for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, which are 3 and 4. Alright. Then oh, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 2 goes there. Yeah, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. In this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. This box can be a 4. And this box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as appears. And 1 that you left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 2 and 4. Well, we have a double 2 there. I cannot place the 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. Alright. And now these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 in this area could be here, could be there. Then 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3. Yeah. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, this box, important box, can be a 1. Can be a 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be a 4, we have a 4 in the same area. So 1 that you left should be the 5. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then these two boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 4 stars, oh no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Saturday. It's weekend. I hope we have another additional with extra puzzles for the Saturday and Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Friday, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.